The CanDAM plugin, Fotoweb 8 for Joomla, allows the insertion of images, documents, and even videos, from the Fotoweb DAM, directly into a Joomla article. Let's look at how to use it in practice. First, let's select an article to edit, in the list of articles to be published in Joomla. In this example, we chose to complete the article which announces the release of our plugin, to add some media elements to it, before the final publication. Firstly, we will add an image to the article first paragraph to illustrate the functions of our plugin. In order to do so, we will click the button Insert from Fotoweb, in the Joomla editor. The plugin launches the Fotoweb selection widget, which allows to search for digital assets, in the archives you have access to, and to select them. Let's pick up the archive where your digital asset is located. If you are not authenticated yet to Fotoweb, you will first need to enter your user ID and password. When clicking on the archive, you will obtain the list of its digital assets. Choose one of them and click Select, or click on it to see a larger preview, which you will then be able to select. The plugin offers the possibility to change the size of the image, or you will be able to change it later into the Fotoweb Cms Export module, if you have it licensed properly. If you have configured the module to use the Cms Export, the widget is called automatically and pops up to allow you to resize, crop, apply effects or improvements to the image, before its publication into your article. Numerous functions and effects are available, and they are easy to use. You may indicate in which publication the export goes, with an optional revocation date. When ready, click Publish, and the prepared image will be placed automatically in your Joomla article. To insert other images in your article, repeat the previous operations. This time we will perform a search in our collections using the selection widget. Then we'll rework the selected image, to apply some effects to it. Note that the search is performed in all archives or collections available. Pick an archive to view its assets, and then select your media like you previously did. You might change the display size using the plugin, or the Cms Export module if you have the proper license to do so. Let's observe here how you may easily crop a picture which is too large, to adapt its format to your publication space. One of the most popular effects is the automatic improvement of colors and contrast of a picture, using the Fotoweb Smart Color effect. The image resulting from the application of this effect is outstanding. You can measure the difference with the original by sliding the vertical bar that appears on the thumbnail. It's always a good idea to identify the destination publication using the tab designed for this. This will allow you to retrace later which assets were published in which edition, advert, website, blog or magazine. To insert a document in your article, proceed in the same manner as previously, but this time, let's pick up a document in your Fotoweb collections or archives. As previously, select the archive first, and then pick a document in the list of assets. There are no options to choose from this time, to integrate the document to the article. By default, the Joomla editor will display all the page's thumbnails for the document. Don't panic though, only the thumbnail of the first page of the document will be visible to the user. He may then see all the document pages, page by clicking the thumbnail in the article. The procedure is identical to include a video or an audio file into your article. Remember though, you must have a license for the audio and video module in Fotoweb, in order to see a playable preview, or you will just get a fixed image preview for the video. Simply select a video, in the list of available assets, and a Joomla Works All Videos tag will automatically be inserted in the body of the text. The free Joomla Works plugin allows video playback using its default format, or in full page mode. Let's save now our Joomla article, and then we will mark it as published. We will have to clear the Joomla cache before previewing our new web page, just to be certain that the modifications we brought will be considered by the web server. The published page is visible here into our CanDAM News menu of the English website. We can now check that our photos are in good place, and that our document, which appears further in the article, can be viewed page by page. Further down in the article we will find the video file referenced by the All Videos tag. This is it. Our article is now completed and online, and we never left the familiar interface of Joomla. To complete it, we didn't need to either to resort to the specialized services from a graphic designer, or a programmer, or to start Photoshop to prepare our images. We never had to download any file either. Our digital publishing is completely automated, and its supporting CanDAM system completely transparent to the user.